Brain test game solutions level 201 to 220. Level 201, quickly tap the numbers in order. Let's start doing it before our time starts running out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you press 6, 7 and 8 get interchanged. So you need to press onto them properly. Level 202, solve the puzzle. So the number in the middle suggests how many yellow circles need to be there surrounding it. So first we'll start with 4. So we will press onto all the circles to make them yellow. That solves the 4 box for us. 2 also for us, as there are 2 circles which are yellow next to 2. For 1 also it is fine. For 3 we need 1 more, which won't be this because it will be wrong for 1. So we will undo it, and for 3 we will do this yellow light. Level 203, we must score a goal. So we just need to position all the players such that they can pass on the ball to each other and score a goal. Level 204, teach a cat how to hunt place. So you can see a box over here. So let the cat be hidden. We can see a mouse trap, a mouse door over here. So let's give him the cheese and lure him by it. Once he comes out, remove the box so that the cat can catch the mouse. Level 205, find the treasure. So let's remove this rock where it is marked X. Let's dig it and find our treasure. Level 206, I lost the brakes, help. So we'll have to drag the cloud down to help the car falling down the slope. Level 207, where is Mother Lion? So we can't see Mother Lion picture, but we can see the cub. Once the cub cries, a Mother Lion will come into the picture. So we click on the apple so that they fall onto the cub's head. Now the cub has started crying, and there it is. His mother's come to save him. Level 208, tortoise must win the race. So again, we can use the banana from the monkey so that the rabbit slips and the tortoise wins. So let's do it. Level 209, help him. So he is having a nightmare. Take the sword from the thief and then pinch him with it so that he wakes up. Level 210, make a choice. Grow a tail or grow a horn. So both of them are useless choice. Let's rub this choice and see what's beneath it. So that's the third realistic choice. So get rich. Level 211, this man annoyed the llama, get his revenge. So drag the clouds over here, click on it to make it rain. Still he is saving himself with the help of umbrella. Click on the llama so that it spits and takes its revenge. Level 212, how many teeth he has. You can see some of them are fake. Let's remove all the fake ones. And then let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he's got 12 teeth. Level 213, we must fill all of the grids in the factory. So to do so, let's start. Let's click on the one over here, then one above, then two like this, and then 4. So this will complete our level. Level 214, try to follow the correct pattern. So let's watch it. Click on the watch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So let's click how they showed us. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Level 215, Horsey wishes for wings now. Again we need a star for him to make his wish come true. So drag this star out from the wand and make his wish come true. Level 216, separate the colors please. So we have an empty test tube, so we will separate the colors using that. And we are done. Level 217, help, she can't stop jumping. So we need to take the trampoline away from her and keep the foam pad beneath her so that she is saved and doesn't fall. So let's take this out and put this. Level 218, candy must reach to the mouth. So just tilt your phone or your device in such a way that the candy moves and reaches his mouth. Level 219, Tom wants to jump again, but we ran out of mushrooms. So how to fill this gap up? So now he can easily jump. Level 220, help our friend cross the street. The cars are moving really fast and not stopping, but we can see a zebra cross over here. Drag it towards him and now he can easily cross the road.